So first I got some Twixtor clips of Jennie from YouTube. Here just add your clips according to the beat. Then duplicate the clips except for the last one. Then add any 2 pictures of the same concept at the end. And adjust everything according to the beat. Now reverse all the clips we duplicated. Now add 2 keyframes in the end of every clip. While being on the second keyframe, go to opacity and make it around 50. Do this to all the clips. Now select the reversed clips, go to animations, select swing right. Make it 0.1. And add it to all the reversed clips. Go to overlay and select the white image. Bring it to your reversed clip. Go to splice, select overlay. Make it around 40. Go to animations and add fade in and fade out. Duplicate it and add it to all the reversed clips. Add it to the pictures too. Come back to your first reversed clip. Go to adjust and make the saturation -22. Do this to all the reversed clips. Come to the pictures and add a keyframe in the start and zoom in. Go to graphs and then custom and follow my graph. Delete the audio and export. Go to a new project and add the video you just exported. Add your audio. Duplicate it. Delete the photo part from the second clip.